Well, I was gonna make a video on changing the gears on my bike and showing how it works, but there's already a couple of those on YouTube. It works good, you just have to trust me. I can't do it with holding the phone and trying to change the gears, and so I put Empire Pro on the frame. I bought the frame from California company. Then I bought the wheels somewhere else, which are just aluminum clinchers, but they're real lightweight. And then put a carbon fiber stem on, carbon fiber handlebars, titanium pedals. I got the pedals from China. I got the handlebars from Amazon. The wheels I can't remember. Empire Pro from AliExpress. The cassette is 1134. I put a different front derailleur on. I put a Shimano Tiagra 4700. It's a KMC 12-speed chain. What else can I say? Bottom bracket, I can't remember what size, what that was. Yep, that's about it. The seat was from the seat. I'm pretty happy with that seat. It's nice looking. Got an Italian name. Everything's kind of half-ass fake. The stuff from China didn't come properly. I ordered a crank from China. It didn't come, so then I ordered the Ultegra crank, put that on. I didn't even try the front derailleur that come with the Empire Pro, because I've watched a couple of videos, China cycling and another one on YouTube, and said that it was, it has a really tight spring on it, and I just whacked this on. It worked perfectly except for one thing. When it's on the big ring here and the big ring here, it rubs just a little bit. I think it's because there's such a difference between the two, and the front gears have got 3 clicks on them. You click, it's got a halfway click, which doesn't seem to work. It's either on the small one or the big one. If you half click it, I can't get it to. I haven't put a bike together before, and I don't know what I'm doing, so there might be a way of doing it, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with it. Everything's running good. It changes gear well. I've taken it for a couple of 30-mile bike rides already. Yep, so I don't know what to say. I was gonna try and change the gears, but I can click it down, I suppose, and click it up. There. Yeah, oh well. That's my half-assed video for you. The biggest problem I had was running the cables through the handlebars. That was a little tight. Other than that, it came with the Chinese set came with Tiagra brakes, so I just put them on, which I was pretty happy with that too. Yep, that's it.